In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the Fortnite not opening error or the Fortnite would not launch. So make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps, and also use my supporter creator code BoostedAnimalYT. And let's start. So the first step is to simply click on this PC, open it up. Now go to the drive where you have Fortnite installed at, so mine is at local disk C. Open up the program files folder, open the Epic Games folder, now open the Fortnite folder, open Fortnite game, open the binaries folder, open Win64, and now open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Okay, and now double click on Easy Anti-Cheat Setup. Click on Yes. And now what you want to do is click on Repair Service. This should take just a couple of seconds, and there it is. It says that it is installed successfully. What you want to do now is just click on Finish, and you can now close the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. The second step is to open up the Windows Defender firewall, and you can do that by clicking on the search bar. Type Windows Defender or Windows Firewall, there it is. Open up the Windows Defender Firewall control panel. And now what you want to do is simply click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on Change Settings. And now find the Epic Games Launcher or Fortnite. And if you find them, what you want to do is just make sure that this box is checked left of the name, and check the private and public boxes. Because Epic Games Launcher and the Fortnite Launcher is not on my list, I'm gonna click on Allow another app, and that is what you want to do also. Click on Browse, and now just find the Epic Games Launcher and Fortnite, which is located in this PC, local disk C, program files, the Epic Games folder, Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and there it is. What you want to do now is simply click on Fortnite Clan Win64 shipping, click on Open, and now click on Add. And as you can see, there it is. Fortnite is now checked. I'm gonna check it in the private and public network. And now what you want to do is just click on OK. And what you want to do now is simply go back to the allowed apps and allow the Epic Games Launcher as well. And you can do that by clicking on Allow another app, click on Browse, and now what you want to do is simply find the Epic Games Launcher and do the same steps. Once you do that, you can close the Windows Defender firewall. And the last step for this video is to click on the search bar and type Add or Remove, and open up the Add or Remove Programs System Settings. Once you open them up, what you want to do is just scroll down and find the Epic Games Launcher. Okay, so there it is. Click on it and click on Uninstall. And once you uninstall it, what you want to do is close the apps and features and go back to the Epic Games website and download it again. If that didn't work, then you can also try just verifying Fortnite in the Epic Games Launcher in the settings, and that's it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like if this helped. And use my supporter creator code BoostedAnimalYT in the item shop. Thanks for watching again, and bye.